What's up, people? Dino is back into the place to the B, the second day in Las Vegas, and I met this crazy guy. His name is Jose. Actually, this is the guy which yesterday I had some problems with, I don't know, police, and actually I just realized that he's an awesome guy. So you can see that he smile and all. Smile says everything. And he invited me to his home, gave me his own bed, came here with a Mercedes. Where is Mercedes? Driving me to buffet. We're gonna eat good, speaking, sharing each other's stories, and I mean, it's better than I thought. So now we're going here to this local casino to buffet. He said Palace Station, and we're gonna eat some good food. So don't go anywhere. There's gonna be a lot of to see, to watch. Guys, me and Jose are here in buffet, and the guy knows all the secrets. So we are eating here for $7 per person in buffet, all you can eat, whatever you want to eat, and there's so many things. And usually this costs like, how much is it?
$30 or $50.
$30 or $50 over the strip. So we're eating here like, it's for free. Basically it's for free, man. And I just saw there's some pancakes which are calling me. So, you know, we're gonna go to see it. Took some things which I don't even know what is it. This is some Mexican thing. Jose told me that this is awesome thing. So, hello, I'm good. How are you?
Can I have a coffee and lemonade, please?
I'm gonna take a lemonade. Thank you very much. So we're gonna start enjoying our meal, and there's so many things to try, and I just don't know where to start. So I'm gonna take something sweet, and what should I pick, guys? What should I pick, guys? I don't know. What should I pick? There's so many sweets, guys. Holy shit. You know, I'm a sweet guy, you know, I like sweets. So I really don't know what to pick. Guys, can you help me, please? We need a hardcore! Jose, hardcore! Hyper. That's how we roll in Vegas. I'm a DJ, he's a driver. Hyper. Say hyper. Hyper. Listen to the beat. He's saying America. I'm showing to my friend Kemal Malovich, America. Now, in middle of the Las Vegas. I can be glad that I met Jose, because he's my tour guide.
The best of the best in Vegas.
And he just drove me to, what's this called place?
This is the Wynn Casino. Mr. Steven Wynn built this.
Okay.
And he built the Encore. And it's the casino next to the Wynn, and he gave it. It was a present for his wife.
Really?
Casino, yes, Encore. And here is where the royalty stay when they come from the UK. We close the 20th floor just for the royalty, for security. But all the casinos in Vegas have limos.
Okay.
The Wynn Casino only have Rolls Royce.
Only Rolls Royce.
Only
Rolls Royce. So this is like a higher level, I see. It's beautiful. So I got my new glasses, guys. Check it out. I was searching for Oakleys for a long time, but you can't get cheap. You can't get them cheap. And I just bought myself a customized Oakley. I choose this fucking skeleton or what the hell it is, and lens and the O. So it's gonna match my S2000, but they're like $200. It's pain in my heart, but what can I do? I want Oakleys. So I'm here over the road in Las Vegas. I'm gonna check out the hotels. I'm gonna see what they are offering. They say they have a lot of TV shows and everything, and especially one hotel links has some cars inside, so I want to see the car. Yo, what's up? What's happening? Doing the vlog. You're gonna be a star. So yeah, it's kind of like a bright like a diamond, but then you got everywhere bumps. But doesn't matter. I'm gonna try to enjoy as much as I can. Okay guys, I'm here at the Caesar's Palace, and as you can see, there's a slot machine which I'm gonna spend the buck. So let's. There goes my buck. Okay, the lights are on. So what can we do? If we get like strike, we get 2,000. Double strike 5,000. So I got this. Let's go. So what's gonna happen? How many times can I do that? Cash out B1 credit. So I gotta press 1 credit. Let's go. 7. Did I get anything? What? There's my dollar. Shit. I just lost my dollar. Okay. One more. The last dollar. One more. They should give me more. God damn it, go eat it. Let's go, one more. Play max credits. How many credits do I have? Let's go. 7. What the fuck? Did I get any? Cash out. Fuck that shit. He just took $2 to me. Oh my god, bye. You know, I realized that there's a lot of old women playing here. Actually, see, they're all stupid, man. They're spending their retirement, man. You know, can you imagine this America, you know, they got so much money, they don't know what to do, so they spend the money. And all the old ladies, man. God damn it. I mean, maybe that's the only thing which left from them, for them, and also they're like gambling. I don't know, our elder people, they are broke. They can't even have for a bread or whatever, man, you know. And here, you know, look, old grandmas everywhere. God damn, you see, they put their husbands in a grave, and now they're spending their money. When you walk in the Caesar Palace, that's just one of the hotels. There's so many of them, and they're all connected under the hotel, and you see so many slot machines, so many hooked people, and then you see this, you know, so many big screens, and you're like thinking, what are they doing, you know? And you can like do the bets. You can do the sport bets, you know. You just sit there, you got all the machines, just put in money and do the bettings. So I see, man, you know, I don't get it, but these guys, these people, they are crazy, man. You know, they're hooked up, man. You know, this industry, it's made for taking your money. You know, you don't get money, guys. You know, you lose your money. But they say it's an excitement. It's a fucking expensive excitement. Go jump, bungee jumping, you're gonna get an excitement. You know, go fight with the bull in an arena, that's gonna be excitement. Go drive fast cars, that's gonna be excitement. But this, and man, I know my neighbor lost his house and his family because of this, you know. And this is, I see so many old people playing. I can't believe it, man. Just like, people have too much money.